Welcome. In this video we are going to learn how to check our silly mistakes and how to avoid them. What happens most of the time when we do any calculation, when we check whether we have done the calculation right or not, we used to repeat the same mistakes which we already have made. So we are going to look at an alternate approach to check where is the mistake, right, and how to identify the mistake. If you are new to the channel, I will suggest you to subscribe the channel so that you can get good quality video content, and I am uploading videos related to different topics of mathematics, so you can share this with your friends as well. So let's start. So before I talk about the process, we need to learn a very important concept that is known as digit sum. And one more thing, I want to request you that you should watch the video till the very end, then only you will be able to appreciate the techniques that we are going to learn. Okay, so what is digit sum? So as you can see the definition, digit sum of a number is obtained by adding all the digits in a number, right? Here n is missing in the number until we get a single digit. It always takes the value from 1 to 9 and never 0. So let us understand. This number is 5021. So if I ask you what is the digit sum of it, so you just add it, 5 plus 0 plus 2 plus 1, so that is equal to 8. If I ask you what is the digit sum of the number, 7324, so if you take 7324, first you add 7 plus 3 plus 2 plus 4, and what you get here is 10, 12, 16. But 16 can't be the digit sum, because when we define the digit sum, it should be a single digit. So what we do when we get a 2 or more digit number, in that case we again apply the process and we add the number, like we add 1 plus 6 and here we get 7, right? Suppose we take some random number. Suppose I take 2, 3, 8, 6, 5, 4, 1. And if I ask you find its digit sum, so what is the first thing you have to do? You have to add 2 plus 3 plus 8 plus 6 plus 5 plus 4 and plus 1. So what this is? 2 and 3, 5, 8 and 5, 13, 13 and 6, 19, 19 and 5, 24, 24 plus 4, 28 and plus 1, that is 29, right? Now 29 is not the digit sum because this is a 2-digit number, so we have to add 2 and 9 again, so we get 11. Now again 11 is a 2-digit number, so we have to add 1 and 1, and what we get is 2, right? So what is the digit sum of this number? Digit sum of this number is equal to 2. Let us write one more. Suppose I write 3, 6, 5, 4, 2, 1 and 3. So what will be the digit sum? Let us do it. 3 plus 6, 9, 9 plus 5, 14, 14 plus 4, 18, 18 plus 2, 20, 20 plus 1, 21 and plus 3, that is equal to how much? 24, right? 24. Let me add it again. 9 and 3 plus 6, 9 plus 5, 14 plus 4, 18, 20 and then 24. But 24 can't be the digit sum. So what will be the digit sum? 2 plus 4 is equal to 6. So I hope what is the digit sum, that is clear to you. But we are going to learn a very smart way of calculating the digit sum. Okay. So look at these numbers, and what we are going to do to obtain digit sum of a number quickly, we can remove all digits which are either 9 or adds up to 9. For example, the first digit we have is 643891. So what they are suggesting, if you have to find the digit sum, you can remove those numbers which are 9s, like 9 I just remove, right? Then we also remove those numbers which are adding up to 9. So you can see 8 and 1, that will add up to 9, so that is also removed. 6 and 3 also adds up to 9, so that is removed, and in the end what we get is 4. So the digit sum of this number is 4. Let me repeat this thing. If the number was 6438891 and if you calculate it by the regular process, what will happen? You add 6 plus 4 10, 10 plus 3 13, 13 plus 8 21, 21 plus 9 30, 30 plus 1 31. So what we are getting is 31 here, and then 3 plus 1 is equal to 4. But we are not doing this process here. We have learned the new process that we are going to cancel 9 and all those numbers which are adding up to 9. Like 9 is already there, so which I cancelled. 8 and 1 is also 9, so that I cancelled. 6 and 3 also adds up to 9, so I cancel. So in the end I just get 4. Let us look at this again. So I am going to cross those numbers which are either 9 or adding up to 9. So 9 is crossed, 8 and 1 is also 9, so this is also crossed. 6 and 3 adds up to 9, crossed. 5 and 4 adds up to 9, cross. And here also you will see 6 and 3 adds up to 9, it is also crossed. And in the end we are getting 2, 8 and 0, so I get 2 plus 8 plus 0, so that is equal to 10, and then I add 1 plus 0 and I get 1. So digit sum for this big number is equal to 1. I hope you are getting the process. If you look at this, 9, 9 and 9 cancel. So what will be the digit sum in this case? Digit sum in this case will be 1. Let us calculate the digit sum here. 1 and 8, 9 cancel, 9 cancel, 9 cancel, 9 cancel, 9 cancel. And then in the end we have 5 plus 2 7 plus 3 10. So 5 plus 2 plus 3, that is equal to 10, but 10 is a 2-digit number, so I add 1 and 0 and what I get is equal to 1. So this is how we calculate the digit sum, right? Next thing that we are going to learn about, that using the concept of digit sum, how can we check whether we have done the calculation right or wrong? So here we have two numbers, right, and which I have added, and I am getting this answer. Now the question is whether this answer is correct or not correct. So one way is to repeat the whole addition process and then check the answer. But what happens when we repeat the process, most of the time we repeat the same mistake also, right? So if we have an alternate approach, that would be easier for us. So what is the alternate approach here? So suppose this number is A and this number is B, right? So first I ask you that what is the digit sum of the number A. So let us calculate it, and to calculate the digit sum we are going to follow the process that we are going to cancel those terms which are adding up to 9. So this 5 and 4 adds up to 9, so it is cancelled. Let me cancel it so that there is no confusion. Now 9 is also cancelled, and here we note that is there any number that we can cancel? So 6 and 3 can also be cancelled. Now we are getting 2, 8 and 5. So I add, digit sum is 2 plus 8 plus 5. So how much we are getting? 15, and 15 can't be the digit sum, so I have to add 1 and 5 again. So the digit sum in this case is equal to 6. So the digit sum of the number A is equal to 6. Now let us calculate the digit sum of the number B. So what is the digit sum of the number B? This 9 is cancelled. This 8 and 1 adds up to 9, so I cancel it. And 6 and 3 also adds up to 9, so I cancel it. So we have 7 and 7. So we add 7 plus 7, what we get is equal to 14. And then we add 1 plus 4, and what we get is equal to 5. Now the next thing that we are going to do, we are going to calculate the digit sum of the number A plus digit sum of the number B. So if I calculate this, I get here 6 plus 5, that is equal to 11, and 11 can't be the digit sum, so what we have to do, we have to add 1 and 1, so what we get is 2. So 2 is the digit sum of A plus digit sum of B. In the right hand side, this number that I have got is A plus B. So I am going to calculate the digit sum of A plus B. So what will be the digit sum of A plus B? To calculate it, again we are going to follow the same process. We are going to add, kind of cancel those numbers which add up to 9. So here we have a 3 and here we have a 6. So these are adding up to 9, so I cancel. Here we have a 5 and here we have 2 and 2. So 5 plus 2 plus 2, 9, that is also cancelled. So in the end we are getting 1, 6 and 6. So if I add 1 plus 6 plus 6, what we get? We get 12 plus 1, 13, and then we take the digit sum of it. So 1 plus 3 is equal to 4. Now did you notice one thing? When I am calculating the digit sum of the number a plus digit sum of the number b, that we are getting 2, but I am calculating the digit sum of the number a plus b, that I am getting 4, and 2 is not equal to 4. It means that this addition was not correct, right? This addition was not correct. Now the question is that what is the correct value? So correct value in this case was, let me write it for you so that you can verify, and you can also add and verify. So the correct value is 132,263, 066. This is the right hand side, that is a plus b, and in this case I expect that the digit sum of this number should be equal to 2. If the digit sum of this number will be equal to 2, then we will consider that this is correct. So let us do it. So again we are going to cancel the term which are adding up to 9. So 6 and 3 is cancelled, and you have a 3 here and you have a 6 here, so that is also cancelled. Now in the end we are getting 1, 2, 2 and 6. So if I add it, 1 plus 2 is equal to 3, 3 plus 2 is equal to 5, and 5 plus 6, this 6 is equal to 11. And if I add 1 plus 1, I get 2. So the digit sum is 2, which is equal to the digit sum of a plus digit sum of b. So the process that we have followed, what is the process we have followed? That if I have to check that whether the sum of two numbers a plus b is equal to c, whether it is correct or not, so we calculate first the digit sum of the number a, then we calculate the digit sum of the number b, and we check whether this is equal to the digit sum of number a plus b or not. If the sum is correct, then digit sum is equal. If it is not correct, then digit sum will not be equal. But here I want to make one very important remark, that if the sum is not correct, then digit sum certainly will not be equal. It is important, notice. But sometimes it may happen that digit sum may be same, but still the addition is wrong, right? So in case if the digit sums are not coming to be same, then we can guarantee that addition is not correct. But if they are same, then possibly very rare chance that it may be correct, right? Now look at this one. Look at this one and check whether it is correct or not. So I am calculating the digit sum. 5 and 4, 5 and 4, 9 cancel, and 7, 6, 2, 7. So 7 plus 6, 13. Let me write 7 plus 6 plus 2 plus 7. So how much we get? 7 and 6, 13 plus 2, 13 plus 2, 15, 15 plus 7, 22. So 2 plus 2 is equal to 4. So digit sum of this number is 4. What is the digit sum of this number? 9 cancel, 8 and 1 cancel, 6 and 3 cancel. So the digit sum of the second number is 5. So if I add 4 plus 5, we are getting 9, right? Digit sum of the first number plus the digit sum of the second number. Now let us look at the number in the right hand side and calculate its digit sum. So 9 is cancelled, 1, 7 and 1 is also cancelled, and we are getting 5, 5 and 8. So 5 plus 5 plus 8. So how much it is? It is 18, which is 1 plus 8, that is equal to 9, right? So the digit sum in the left hand side and the digit sum in the right hand side both are same. So since the digit sum in the left means digit sum of a plus digit sum of the number b is equal to digit sum of number a plus b, means this addition is correct addition. So we just learned that how to check whether the addition is correct or not. We also learned that how to find the digit sum, use the digit sum to check whether the addition is correct or not. So next we are going to learn about how to check subtraction, multiplication, addition and squaring. So keep watching the video till the very end so that you don't miss the concept, right? Now let us look at some of the problems related to subtraction. And in subtraction also the same process will work. So if I look at this number, if I call this number a and if I call this number b, so first I will calculate the digit sum of a, And now I think you are smart enough or quick enough to calculate this. So the 9 will be gone, and here I will get 8 plus 7 15, and 15 and 4 plus 6 10, so 25. So 25 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. I hope you got it. I repeat, 9 is cancelled, 7 and 8, 7 plus 8 plus 6 plus 4, I have added them in any random order. So 15 and 6, 21 and 4, 25, and 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So the digit sum of the first number is 7. What is the digit sum of this number? So here 3 plus 4 7, and 3 plus 4 plus 2 plus 8. So 7 to 9 and 8 17. So we are getting 17, and 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. Right. Now if I ask you what is the digit sum of A minus digit sum of the number B, so you will get 7 minus 8, that is equal to minus 1. And here there is a very important thing that you should note, that when I am getting a minus 1 as the digit sum, the digit sum, as we have seen earlier during the definition, can take its value from 1 to 9. It can take its value from 1 to 9. So in case if we get a negative number, then we add 9 to it to make it positive, and in that case the digit sum of this will be 8. Okay. Now what is the digit sum of this number in the right hand side? So as you can see that 9 is there, so the 9 will be cancelled, and if I add it, I will get 1 plus 1 plus 5 plus 0, so that I am getting is equal to 7. So in the right hand side I am getting the digit sum is equal to 8, in the left hand side, and in the right hand side we are getting the digit sum is equal to 7, means this is a wrong calculation. Two quick points. First point is that when you get a negative number, then digit sum should be obtained by adding suitable number of 9 so that it becomes positive. So if I am getting minus 1, so I added 9 to it so that it becomes positive. Okay, digit sum can take value from 1 to 9, neither 0 or not any negative quantity. So what is the right answer in this case? The right answer in this case was, here I have written it wrong, the right answer was 12509. So if you calculate the digit sum here, the 9 is cancelled, and if you add it, you will get 1 plus 2 plus 5. So 1 plus 2 plus 5, which is equal to 8. And in the left hand side we have got 8, so 8 and 8 are equal. So this is the correct answer. 12509 is the correct answer. The original answer mentioned was not correct. Now let us check whether this is correct or not. So 6 and 3 cancelled, 9 because adding up to 9, 5 and 4 adding up to 9 cancel, 2 and 7 adding up to 9 cancel. So digit sum is 8. Right hand side 5, 4, 9 cancel, 6, 3 and 6 is 9 cancel, and here we get 2 plus 1 3, and 3 plus 8 11. So 11 can't be the digit sum, so I write 1 plus 1 again and we get 2. So left hand side the first digit sum is 8, the second digit sum is 2, so 8 minus 2 is equal to 6. And what is the digit sum in the right hand side? You calculate it. 1 plus 1 plus 1 3 plus 2 5 plus 1 6. So here in the right hand side also we are getting 6. In the left hand side also we have got 6. So this is a correct calculation. You can verify. So we have got the idea that if I have to check the subtraction, then we have to calculate the digit sum of the first number minus the digit sum of the second number. And if it is equal to the digit sum of A minus B, then we consider that the calculation is correct. If it is not equal, then the calculation is not correct. So see the first problem here. So we have number this into this is equal to this, and suppose we want to check whether the product is correct or not correct. So let us quickly calculate their digit sum. So in the left hand side we have 8 and 1, so that is 9 cancelled, 5 and 4 9 cancelled, this 9 cancelled, 6 and 3 is also equal to 9. So we are getting this 5 here. What is the second number? 4 and 5, 9. So that I will cancel. 6 and 3 is equal to 9. So I cancel. So we got 1 here. So the product of 5 and 1 is equal to 5. So the digit sum of this number into this number is equal to 5. Now in the right hand side, if I look at this number, what is the digit sum of this number? So here we have 6 and 3, that is equal to 9, which is cancelled. Then this 9 is cancelled. Then I can cancel 6 here and 3 here. So 1 6 over here, 1 3 over here is cancelled. Can we cancel something more? Yeah. So here we have 2 and 2 plus 5 is 7. 7 plus 1 8. 8 plus 1 is equal to 9. Right. So ultimately we are getting 6, 6, 6 and 5. So 6 plus 6 plus 6, 6 plus 6 plus 6 plus 5. So how much is that? 18 plus 5 is 23. And then we add 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. So we got the digit sum in the left hand side 5, in the right hand side 5, means digit sum of the number A into digit sum of the number B is equal to the digit sum of the number A into B. It means this product is correct. Okay. Now let us look at the next problem. So here we have 4 and 5, 9, 6 and 3, 9, 7 and 2, 9. So we are getting 1 here. And here we have 5 and 4, 9, 6 and 3, 9. So we are getting 2 and 3 means 5. So 1 into 5 is equal to 5. And what is the digit sum we are getting in the right hand side? So be very careful because this is a big number. 7 and 2, 9 is cancelled. And here we have 1 and here we have 8. So that is cancelled. 0 will not contribute anything. So 0 I also cancelled. Now can we cancel something more? So you can see 4 plus 3, 7 and 7 plus 2, 9 is also cancelled. And now we are getting here 5 plus 8 plus 7. So 5, 8 plus 7, 15 plus 5, 5 plus 8 plus 7 and then plus 7 and 3. So how much? 15 plus 5, 20, 20 plus 7, 27 plus 3, 30. And if I add it, I get 3 plus 0 is equal to 3, which is not equal to 5. So it means that this answer is not correct. So I would request you to first multiply and check what is the correct answer. But for your convenience, I am writing the correct answer here. It is 1074. 587, then we have 437 and then we have 823. So you see that all the numbers are same. I think only this 2 and 4 are different here. So what is the digit sum in this case? Let us quickly calculate. So this 1 and this 8 will add up to 9. So cancel. 0 will not contribute anything. So I cancelled it. This 7 and this 2, 9 I cancelled. Now this 5 and this 4 also is 9, so I cancelled. Now we are getting the number 4 here, then plus 7 here, then plus 3 here, then plus 7 again, and then plus 3. So if I add it, I will get 4 plus 7, 11 plus 3. 11 plus 3 is 14, 14 plus 7 is 21 and plus 3 is equal to 24. Did I miss something? I think I missed 8 here also. So we have a 4 plus 7 plus 3 plus 7 plus 8. So I need to add 8 also. This 8 was there. So let us calculate again. 4 plus 7, 11, 11 plus 3. 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 3, 24 and plus 8, 32. And if you add 3 plus 2, you get 5. So which is equal to the digit sum in the left hand side. So this means that this answer is a correct answer. Now let us do a division problem and use the concept of digit sum to check whether this is correct or not. So here we have a dividend which is divided by 672 and the answer given is 8946 is the quotient and the remainder is 6. So to check whether this is correct or not, so first I am going to calculate the digit sum of the dividend, right? So if I calculate the digit sum of dividend, what is the dividend here? The dividend in the case is 6018438. So if you calculate it, here the 6 and 3 will be gone, this 1 and 8 will also be gone. So we are getting 0 is not contributing anything. So 8 plus 4 is equal to 12, and then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. So the digit sum of dividend is equal to 3. Now what is the digit sum of quotient? Let me call it Q. So quotient here is 8946. So what is the digit sum? 9 will be gone, and if I add it, 4 plus 6 10 plus 8 18, and if I add 1 plus 8 I will get 9. I hope you remember that if you get 1 plus 8 9, don't cancel 9, just write 9, because digit sum should not be equal to 0. Now what is the digit sum of the quotient I calculated? Divisor. So divisor here is 672, right? 672. So its digit sum is 7 and 2 is equal, 7 and 2 is 9, so cancelled. So I got 6. So I got 6 the digit sum of divisor, 9 the digit sum of quotient, digit sum of dividend is equal to 3, and digit sum of remainder. So remainder actually is just one digit, so that is equal to 6. Now the concept that we are going to use, that the digit sum of dividend should be equal to, let me write here, the digit sum of dividend should be equal to digit sum of the divisor into digit sum of quotient and plus the digit sum of remainder, right? So let us calculate the right hand side. This, so what is the digit sum of divisor? Digit sum of divisor is equal to 6, so I write 6 into, what is the digit sum of quotient? So digit sum of quotient is 9, so I write 9, and plus, what is the digit sum of remainder? So plus 6. So if I calculate this, 6 into 9 is 54, 54 plus 6 60, and so the digit sum finally we are getting is 6 plus 0 is equal to 6. But in the left hand side we have got the digit sum is equal to 3, means the digit sum of dividend is equal to 3, means this answer is not correct, right? So you may now ask me that what is the correct answer. So I am going to write the correct answer. The correct answer is that the quotient here will be 8956. So if this is the right quotient, in that case what will be the digit sum of this quotient? The digit sum of this quotient will be 9 will be gone, and 8 and 6 will be 14, and plus 5, so it will be 19, and to calculate the digit sum of 19, 9 cancels, so I will get 1. So now the quotient has the digit sum 1, the divisor has already we have got the digit sum, so is equal to into 6, and plus what is the digit sum of the remainder is equal to 6. So if I calculate this, I will get 6 plus 6 12, and then 1 plus 2 is equal to 3. Now in this case the digit sum is 3 in the left hand side, that is the digit sum of dividend, and the digit sum of quotient into digit sum of divisor plus digit sum of remainder is equal to 3. So now this is the correct answer. So only difference was that the quotient was 8956 in place of 8946. Remainder and other things were same. Now let us move finally to squaring and cubing. So suppose if I ask you that whether this square is a correct answer or wrong answer. So again we are going to follow the concept. So suppose I call this number a. So here first we are going to calculate the digit sum of a square, right? Or rather digit sum of a. Let me calculate digit sum of a, and then I will take the square of it. So what is the number a? The number a basically is 25861. So if I ask you what is its digit sum, so 8 and 1 will be cancelled, and 2 plus 5 7 plus 6. So 2 plus 5 plus 7 is equal to 7 plus 7 14, so I get 1 plus 4 is equal to 5. And if I square 5, I will get 25, which will result into 2 plus 5 is equal to 7. So in the left hand side I am getting the digit sum 7. What is the digit sum of the right hand side? So digit sum of the right hand side, if I have to calculate, let us calculate it. So 9 will be gone, then 6 and this 3 will be gone, this 6 and this 3 will also be gone. So we are getting 8 7 1 1. So 8 plus 7 15 plus 1 16 plus 1 17. So 1 plus 7 is equal to 8. So we are getting 8. It means in the left hand side we have got 7, in the right hand side we have got 8, means this is not the correct answer. So what is the correct answer? The correct answer is 6 6 8 7 9 1 3 2 1, because here I have deliberately written the wrong answer. So now calculate the digit sum of this and see what it is. So if you look at this 6 and 3 9 is cancelled. Now this 7 and this 2 9 is cancelled. This 9 is cancelled. And now we have 6 plus 8 14 plus 1 15 and plus 1 16. So I get 16, and if you add 1 plus 6 then you get 7, which is similar to the digit sum in the left hand side. So now this is the correct answer. Okay. Finally, let us verify that whether this cube is correct or not. So to check it, we first calculate the digit sum of the number 5 4 9 2. So if I calculate it, this 5 and 4 9 and 9 is cancelled, we get 2. And if I take 2 cube, I will get 8. So the digit sum in the left hand side is equal to 8. So first we are calculating the digit sum of the number and then we are taking its cube. In the right hand side, what will be the digit sum? So let us calculate it. Big number, so be careful. This 5 and 4 is cancelled, right? This 8 and this 1 is cancelled. Now what is something here, like you can see 6 plus 5 11. Let me write 6 plus 5, again 6 plus 5. So and then 0 0 will not contribute anything, and then 5 plus 8, then 5 plus 8. So what we are getting, 11 plus 11, 22 plus 5, 27 plus 8, that is 35, right? So 35 and 3 plus 5 is equal to 8. So we saw that digit sum in the left hand side is equal to 8. In the right hand side also it is equal to 8. So means the correct answer given here is, okay, there is no problem with this. So the correct answer is 16565 0 0 and then 55488. So you can verify yourself that whether this answer is correct or not, because calculating through the digit sum process is giving me the same left hand side and the right hand side. So in this video we have understood the concept of digit sum, how to calculate the digit sum, and we also have seen that digit sum concept can be used to check whether the addition, subtraction, multiplication, division, squaring, cubing, all this computation that we are doing is right or wrong. So I hope you have enjoyed the video. In case if you have, please press the like button and share with all your friends so that they are also benefited by this concept, because nowadays in most of the competitive exam where it is based on numerical computation, it is very tricky, and to check the answer quickly we can follow that concept. So this is all for this video. Thanks for watching, and keep liking the video. Have a great day.